navigating competitors, sabi niya. So competitors, hay nako, sa ayaw at sa gusto natin, meron tayong competitors. And if you don't have any competitors, delikado. Ibig sabihin, baka the business is really not that good. Because if your business is good, competitors will smell it and they will come flocking to you. So, the first thing we need to do is, of course, to conduct market research. Actually, kanina meron akong nakausap na isang kliyente. Yun yung sabi niya, Mami En, tuwing introduce ko ng bagong product, tapos kumikita ako, biglang lumalapit sa akin, nagbubukas ng ibang tao na iko-compete ako head-on. Sabi ko, talagang ganon. Because if they see that you are making money, they will also want a piece of the pie. And therefore, anong mga advice ko sa kanila? Tulad ng advice ko kay Lori. The first thing you need to do is to conduct market research. And yung market research na yan, hindi lang yan minsanan. You don't just do it one time. You have to always stay informed. Babantayan mo yung iyong competitors. Ano ba yung offering nila? Ano ba yung pricing nila? Ano ba yung kanilang marketing strategies? You need to be able to watch what they are doing because that will help you identify kung saan ka pwedeng mag-compete, kung saan ka pwedeng maging kakaiba sa kanila. Ito yung tactic ninyo ha, ito naman yung gagawin ko. Differentiate yourself so that you'll be able to attract customers. Don't follow what they are doing. Again, how often do you do market research on your competitors? Ang sagot ko dyan is as often as needed po. Can be monthly, quarterly, or annually depending on how matindi ang competition ninyo. Kung matapang yung competitors, dapat listo ka rin. Now, the second point about competitors is you always need to focus, babalikan natin to, focus on your unique value proposition. Ito na naman, in business, lahat ng marketing should be centered on what makes you unique. Lahat ng marketing collaterals ninyo, lahat ng marketing messages are pointing to how different you are. What are the unique benefits that you have and what are the values that your business are providing to your customers. Kailangan naka-highlight yung inyong kakaibahan and inyong mga superpowers. How different are you? How much better are you than the competitors so that you can stand out sa market. So yun yung second point na nakafocus tayo sa unique value proposition. And the last point here I'd like to emphasize is to continuously innovate. Dapat nauna ka parati. Ano bang mga bagong technologies dyan? Ano ba yung mga bagong products dyan? Adapt. Stay agile. Yung agile, listo ka parati. Dapat una ka. Una tayo sa pack. Hindi tayo yung tatanga-tanga dyan at chat GPT, gano'n. Pinag-uusapan na ng lahat, alam na lahat, hindi pa natin alam. We need to be in the know of what is happening. And therefore, we need to be responsive to any changes in the market. Now, I want you to regularly assess and improve your products. Tingnan natin yung ating products, yung ating services. Kumusta na sila? Ano yung ating proseso? Kumusta na sila compared to the others? Dapat meron tayo parating edge. Dapat parating nauna tayo. Remember, if you want to attract capital, you engage your customers effectively, and you want to navigate your competitors, you will need a strategic approach. Dapat pinag-uusapan yan. Hindi lang yung pag may ginawa sila, tsaka tayo mag-a-act. You need to have a lot of thinking and analysis. Implement all these tips para mag-grow ninyo yung ating business in this very, very competitive market.